There's a lot we can already do to automate Excel workflows with Cloudmersive connectors in Power Automate, but with the new AI connector at our disposal, we can find even more creative ways to add value. In this video, we'll split a multi-worksheet Excel file into a series of separate Excel documents, and we'll use AI to summarize each worksheet as we store it in SharePoint. Let's dive right in. We're starting off here with a manually triggered flow that will accept one multi-worksheet Excel document at runtime. We're just using the manual trigger here to simplify our input when we test this flow in a few minutes. Right below this, we'll add our Cloudmersive split Excel action. We can find this by searching the Power Automate library for Cloudmersive connectors, locating the document conversion connector with the green logo, and then scrolling down the actions list to locate Split a single Excel XLSX into separate worksheets. Note that we'll need to authorize our connection with a free API key if we haven't done that already, and we can get one by creating a free account on the Cloudmersive website. We'll configure this action by passing in the file bytes and file name from our input step, and we'll also set the advanced parameter to return the contents of each worksheet directly, which means we'll return file bytes instead of file URLs from our split action. Now that we have all these new Excel files coming back from the Cloudmersive endpoint, we'll take those file bytes and create new Excel documents in SharePoint. To do that, we'll add a new action and look for the SharePoint Create File action. We just need to manually select our site address and folder path, and then we can select dynamic content labeled Worksheet Name and Worksheet Contents from our Split Excel action to satisfy the file name and file content parameters. Just remember to add a XLSX extension after selecting Worksheet Name, or the file won't write to SharePoint correctly. If all we wanted to do was split an Excel file into a series of new documents, we're all done. We can simply run our flow right now and those files will populate in SharePoint. We're going to go one step further, however, by using AI to summarize each worksheet's contents and then storing those summaries as file properties. Note that we'll need a custom property field in SharePoint to do that, and I've already added one in my test library. We'll now add an action, locate the Document AI connector, and then find the action called Extract Summary from a document using AI. We can use the same API key as before to authorize this connector, but just note that Document AI is significantly more resource intensive than the document conversion connector we used earlier, and our free API key won't go quite as far. To configure our summarization action, we'll just pass in the same worksheet contents and worksheet name values from our split Excel action, and we're all set. We'll leave this recognition mode parameter empty so it stays at the default advanced setting. Now we just need to save this summary as a property of the file we created, so we'll add one final SharePoint action called Update File Properties. We just need to select the same site address as before, get the right library, and then use the ID generated by our Create File step to point this action at the correct file. We'll find the property field we created in the advanced parameters for this action, and we'll use dynamic content called Body Document Summary Text to satisfy that field. Now we're all done, so we'll save our flow and run a test with a multi-worksheet Excel document. My test file is a simple annual reporting document with some made-up data. When our flow finishes running, we'll find exactly one new Excel document per each worksheet in our original Excel file, living in our target SharePoint folder. We'll notice that each new document is accompanied by a brief summary of its contents, so we don't even need to open the file to know the high-level information. And that's all there is to it. We just sliced up and summarized a multi-worksheet Excel document in only 4 steps, using Cloudmersive connectors in Power Automate. If you have any questions about implementing our connectors for larger scale workflows in Power Automate, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our team.